So this is how the Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo's packaging actually looks like. It has multiple colors, but I have ordered the green color variant. This is not the ANC version, by the way. It offers 32 hours of battery life. We also have the dual device pairing kind of feature, and we have the 45 ms ultra low latency. We have Bluetooth 5.4 and IP55 dust and water resistance as well. It is just awesome for this price bracket, and the MRP quoted on the box is 2499, but I got it on a deal on Amazon. And on the back side, I think there is a box. Yes, this is how the whole packaging actually looks like. So yeah, the headphones actually comes within this white kind of plastic box, and to the back it has, I think, the ear tips and stuff. So yeah, you will see the user guide or user manual right here of this Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, and there are, I think, 2 pair of extra ear tips. So yeah, these are color matched ear tips just like the headphones. I already have the Realme Link app opened on my phone, and this one has that magnetic kind of pairing. Once you like disconnect the magnets, it just turns on and there is that green light popping out right here. And I'll just search it with my phone and just keep it aside. It didn't give me that pop-up of that Google fast pairing, but yeah, it is connected. And in the settings, this is how the settings actually looks like. It shows the battery percentage, which is right now at 90%, has the spatial audio and stuff, and there is the audio type you can set. On the left side of this neckband, we will have the Realme logo, and it is built out of plastic, but yeah, it is good quality plastic. I chose this Wireless 3 Neo because I felt like this particular design definitely offers much more value, because the Wireless 5, I have seen some of them actually coming off from here. I didn't actually go for that, that's why. And I personally used the Wireless 3 ANC version, and that is still working for years now. There are 3 buttons right here. This is the call answering kind of button, or rejecting you can say, and there is a volume plus and minus. That's it. There is no ANC, but yeah, there is a charging port, and the green LED will pop out once you just like unlatch the magnets of these headphones. Let's just wear it and let's just give it a listen. But yeah, the headphones actually has really good kind of look with this color, and pretty much all the Realme headphones actually looks like this. If you haven't seen the Realme Buds Air 7's unboxing, you can check it out from the channel. I just ordered it a couple of days ago on the same Amazon sale. It is fairly light. It's very light. It's less than 100 grams pretty much. And by the way, there is also a plastic protective kind of film over here. The sound quality here, it's just mind blowing. I have just gave it a listen. The bass and stuff, everything was super fine. But once I opened the Realme Link app, it actually shows there is a new firmware update for this specific headphone. For a headphone with this budget, also offering firmware updates, it's just insane. But I'll just update this 1.10.36 so that it can fix the issues. It shows the new version available, and you can see the change logs from right here. Right now, I'll just click on update. Whenever Realme detects that there are some issues with the headphone, they can just push update over the ear. It says do not close the magnetic earphone during the upgrade. Do not play music or make calls through the earphones while upgrading to avoid abnormalities such as slow upgrade and update failure. So yeah, make sure you keep the like earbuds magnets disconnected or powered on throughout the time it's doing this update. It shows updated. Please wait and go back, and it's reconnected again. It seems so. Yes, I can notice the Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo actually got connected right now. Let me show you the app support quickly, and there are the sound effects. There is the EQ kind of modes. Obviously, you can do a custom EQ if you would like to, and there are the volume enhancer stuff. There is dual device pairing. That's just awesome. Let me just go back. There is game mode. There is find my phone and auto answer and stuff like that. So yeah, you can have it for game mode as well. And there is a button controls. You can have it on single tap, double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold kind of thing for voice assistant. So yeah, these are really cool features, and it shows the headphones battery right here, which also shows up in the normal Android settings, like Android 16 settings. It shows up right here. So this is nice. Let's just try the sound quality one more time, and I can't even listen to it with like maximum volume. It's just too much over here, and the sweet spot is here, I would say. Even this is too loud for some people, it might be, but yeah, the sound quality here, it's just awesome for the price. I'm just like too much impressed for this price what you're getting. And in case if you're wondering how the audio quality with these headphones actually sounds like, this is recording with Gcam, and this is how the audio quality would sound like if you talk to someone on over phone calls. And I'll just keep silent for a moment.
But yeah, audio quality should be really good enough on these headphones or neckband, you can say.
If you're wondering how it looks like once you wear them, well, I haven't removed the plastics, but yeah, this is how it will look once you wear them on your neck. And on the right side, you will get all the button controls. Obviously, it's predictable, like there is the volume down, volume up, I think so. Maybe this one's the volume up, I forgot. But yeah, this is the call accepting or rejecting button. And yeah, it's very comfortable and doesn't come off at all. It's very comfortable. You can also like wear them and sleep with them if you'd like to. Overall, I'm just too much impressed with this Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo. So after listening to the audio quality of this Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, I can wholeheartedly say I can totally recommend this headphone to anyone. This is like really one of the best sounds out there that you can get under 1000 rupees on a neckband. Like even wired headphones might struggle to give this much quality of sound. And I thought that Realme Buds 3 or Wireless 3 Neo would be like sounding good. But yeah, this is the headphone that I personally use, or neckband I personally use. This is the Realme Buds Wireless 3 ANC, and this one actually launched later, the Wireless 3 Neo, the budget kind of version, which doesn't have ANC. But even without ANC, I would say this definitely sounds one of the best out there. These two, yes, this one sounds really good, but this one also sounds amazingly well. If you don't need ANC, if you don't care about ANC, transparency, all those things, just go for this. It will be really awesome. So that was my unboxing and impressions about the Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo. Let me know down there in the comments what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. This is Tito from KD and Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.